So, welcome, Pablo. Wonderful you to be with us, and thank you so much. And I'll hand it over to you.
Thank you, Richard, and welcome everyone. First, let me say thank you for inviting me to share these thoughts with you. It's always a joy to see friends, to get to know new ones, and to share, as I said, some of the wonderful teachings that we have in our theosophical tradition. So, as Richard was saying, today we are going to look into some instances of scientific validation of the clairvoyance displayed by some of our theosophical leaders. I think in our tradition, in the Theosophical Society, we have some extraordinary people that are not really found in other movements, as far as I am aware. If you look in other spiritual movements, there have been people with some psychic development, what in India they may call the siddhis. But I'm not aware that any of them have been validated by scientists. And in our tradition, we not only had one or two, we had several of them. I am going to present some of the teachings and the observations that some of our clairvoyants have made that received, as I was saying, some kind of scientific proof in one way or the other. And I think this is really remarkable. No, it's not something normal. We may take it for granted because we grow up with this. I mean, as soon as we join the society, this is kind of normal for us, but it really is not. So let us start with the founder or co-founder of the Theosophical Society, Helena Blavatsky, and she was born with some psychic sensitivity, but according to her own testimony, in her travels, she met a group of Indo-Tibetan yogis that we call the Mahatmas or Masters of Wisdom. And according to her, it was her teachers that trained her innate abilities so that she could use them in an accurate way. Because in the theosophical tradition, there is the idea that one thing is to possess some psychic perception, but another very different thing is to be able to use that perception in an accurate way. The non-physical worlds or planes are very tricky, they are formless, malleable, and we are constantly projecting our own thoughts, our own prejudices. So, at least from a theosophical point of view, if you are going to use these abilities in an accurate way, you have to be trained. And this is something that all our clairvoyants, or the more remarkable of them, went through. So, although Blavatsky didn't work with scientists, many of the teachings that she wrote about at the end of the 19th century were later corroborated by science. And these are very specific teachings. It's not something general that chances are that you can be right or wrong. I could give a whole presentation on this, but I'm going to just choose some points in the field of astronomy and physics to show you an example of what she was able to observe. So, for example, in The Secret Doctrine, one of her most important works, She proposed that planets are not formed from the sun's central mass. This is what science thought at the time. There was a central mass, and then perhaps a meteorite or a comet passed through and took some of that mass, and that is what formed the planets. And she said that that's not the case, that the mass is actually distributed in what is going to become the solar system. Of course, she said there is a central nucleus that has most of the mass, but the planets were formed along with the sun. So she said the planets are not the children of the sun, are the planets are the siblings of the sun, meaning that they were formed at the same time. And this is, of course, what the current nebular theory proposes, that this is the current scientific theory. When Blavatsky wrote about this, for the science of the time, this was something completely unscientific. Then there is mention also that the sun is not a globe in combustion, meaning it's not a globe of fire, as scientists thought at the time, but she said it is made up of what may be called magnetic matter. At the time that phrase had no scientific meaning, science knew about three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gaseous. But later on, actually, the beginning of the discovery of a fourth state of matter happened through a theosophist. He was a scientist, Professor Crookes. But eventually, in the 20th century, there was the discovery of what we call plasma today. Plasma is a fourth state of matter in a magnetic condition, and scientists today agree that the sun is made of plasma, not fire. Then she also said that gravity is not a force in nature. Of course, there is gravity, but she said what we call gravity is not a result of a force. And this again was completely against the science of the time. Now, a few decades later, Einstein develops the theory of relativity, where gravity is not a force. Gravity is a function of the space-time dimension. And quantum physics, which is looking into the different forces of nature, has found in quantum physics, the idea is that all forces are carried by a particle. So there are four fundamental forces in nature. Quantum physics has found the particles for three of those fundamental forces, but not for the fourth one, that is gravity. And if Blavatsky is right, they will never find it, because gravity is not a force. Therefore, there is not a particle that they call the graviton to carry gravity. And this discrepancy between gravity and relativity is what is preventing the two theories from working together. These two theories are incompatible, basically because of the problem of gravity, because quantum physics still looks at gravity as a force. So then actually Blavatsky talked about what became the foundation of quantum physics. At the time, scientists thought that the atoms were little balls that were indivisible. Actually, the word atom comes from the Greek, a means without, and tomos means divisions. So the scientists thought that the atoms were the ultimate particle and that could not be divided. And Blavatsky says that is nonsense. The atoms are divisible, and their particles are also divisible. So then she also said that the atoms have energy and are vibrating, which of course this was not the scientific view, because if you have a solid ball, then there cannot be intrinsic energy there. You can have energy if something is composed and is vibrating. As we know, Blavatsky was right. There is enormous energy within the atoms. And also she said that the forces are substantial, meaning that they are based on she says, on a kind of matter that will be subject of a special name in the future, something like that, she says. A kind of matter that we have no name for right now when she was alive. We have no conception of, but in the future, scientists will know what this matter is. But she said all forces are based on matter, are substantial. And this is, as I was explaining, the idea of these subatomic particles, like the photon for light and the graviton, theoretical graviton for gravity, etc., which is exactly what quantum physics has discovered. So these last points are the foundations of quantum physics. And Blavatsky talked about this a few decades before science discovered these facts. So I think these are good examples, as I said, as she did not work with scientists at the time, but these are very specific pieces of information that were verified. And there are many others also in other fields that were also verified, as well as other statements and observations that have not yet been verified. Then we had also Leadbeater. He was an important theosophical leader. He was not born clairvoyant, as it was the case of Blavatsky. He was just a normal person, let's say, in reference to the use of just the five senses. But he claimed that his teacher asked him if he would like to work on a certain meditation to develop his clairvoyance so that he could do certain work that his teachers wanted him to do. So he stayed in a building there in Adyar. He was at the time at the international headquarters of the Theosophical Society in Adyar. There is an octagonal building next to the headquarters building. He stayed there for a little over 40 days without coming out. He had an attendant bringing food and water once a day. And he says that he stayed those 40 days meditating, doing this technique that the master had given him. And when he came out, he was clairvoyant. And people who were around, they saw all of this. They knew him non-clairvoyant. And after a little over a month, he was clairvoyant. And he did a lot of research that has become the foundation of modern spirituality, used by many movements. But there is one in particular that is connected to science, and is what he observed in what he called occult chemistry. This is a research that he did in collaboration with Annie Besant. Annie Besant also had some clairvoyance. In the summer of 1895, Besant and Leadbeater used a form of clairvoyance that they called astral vision in order to look inside the atoms. And they started publishing their observations as a series of articles in the Theosophist, and eventually all those articles were collected in a book that is called Occult Chemistry. Now, during more than 30 years that this research lasted, they examined and recorded subatomic particles of 109 elements, chemical elements and isotopes. They used to go to museums to access some of the rare elements, and they created hundreds of drawings of the different shapes that they saw, depicting the subatomic particles that were composing what what they were observing, depicting also the lines of forces, the energy movement, the fields that they would observe. And actually, they discovered several elements or variants of elements that science did not know about at the time and that were later discovered. Now, there is one case that was recognized by a scientist, and there is an article about this in 2007. Jeff Hughes is the author of this article. He published the paper in the scientific journal Physics World, titled Occultism and the Atom, The Curious Story of Isotopes. And in this article, the author explains that Professor Francis Aston, he was the one that discovered what in science is known as isotopes. Basically, isotopes, if you have an element, and that element may have more or less neutrons, and they are the same, these atoms that have different amounts of neutrons in the nucleus, they are the same kind of element, but they are different from each other, so they are called isotopes. Now, this concept, this idea, or the fact of isotopes were discovered by this scientist, Professor Francis Aston, who would later win the Nobel Prize of Chemistry because of this discovery. Now, something interesting here is that the author writes in the article, in a footnote to the paper that Professor Aston wrote announcing his discovery to the annual meeting of the British Association, Aston referred to a 1908 publication by Annie Besant and Charles Leadbeater called Occult Chemistry. So the scientist that eventually won the Nobel Prize for his discovery, he presented these findings to the British Association of Scientists. And in this paper, he acknowledged the following. He said, by theosophic methods entirely unintelligible to the mere student of physics, this is what Aston was writing, the authors, he mentions, Besant and Leadbeater, claimed to have determined the atomic weights of all the elements known and several unknown at the time. Among the latter and among the unknown elements occurs one to which they ascribe an atomic weight of 22.33, if we take the hydrogen as one, and which they called metaneon. As this name seems to suit as well as any other what little we know of the properties of this new gas, I have used it in this paper. So today, one of the isotopes of neon is called metaneon, and that name was invented by Besant and Leadbeater, basically, because Professor Aston just took it from them, and they had observed accurately the atomic weight of the metaneon, and it's quite remarkable that the scientists acknowledged this. So we have here a quite specific instance of an observation, a clairvoyant observation that was verified later by science. They observed many other things that we could talk about, but I'm focusing more on things that science verified as directly as possible. Then we can talk about Geoffrey Hodgson, of course, in New Zealand. All of you are familiar with him. He was an early member of the society, and he met Besant. His first book was about some observations and communications with Devas, and it was there is a preface to his first book by Annie Besant acknowledging that what Jeffrey Hodgson was seeing was accurate. And he's the one that perhaps worked the most with scientists. This is quite interesting. He worked with a few of them. I'm going to present a couple of cases. So there is a clairvoyant investigation that he developed with David Linus. They did several experiments with the observation of microscopic structures. So I want to mention one in particular. The scientists gave Hodgson 16 tissue slides that were prepared for microscopic study. So normally you have a little piece of glass, you have a tissue, and that has a special preparation so that you can look through the microscope. And some of the cells there, which were microscopic, if you see it just with your eyes, you just see a slice of like skin, something pinkish, and that's all you see. But some of these cells were normal, and some were abnormal due to cancer. So Hodgson had to differentiate of these 16 slides which ones belong to normal cells and which ones were cancerous cells. Now, of course, Hodgson had no idea how, even if he could see properly, he had to discover some pattern that would allow them to differentiate these two conditions. So he spent about around an hour using what he called the etheric view before being able to detect that there was actually a distinguishing criterion to separate the slides in two groups. He saw that at the subatomic radiations that were coming off the components of the cells, in some of the slides were disorderly. So some of the slides were quite orderly and symmetrical, but in some others were disorderly. So he guessed that the 6 cells would be the ones that had these radiations that were disorderly. So of those 16 slides, 7 of them showed this disorderly subatomic radiation, and now slides seemed normal. And this is what he reported. So Dr. Linus says that all the 7 slides that Hodgson thought that were cancerous, they were so. And of the 9 slides that he thought were not cancerous, 1 of them was. So he saw properly 8 of those, and 1 was cancerous, but perhaps the radiations were not as disorderly as the other ones, and he thought it was normal. Now, Dr. Linus says that the odds to get this result without actually seeing something there is 1 in 18,000. So the scientist was quite confident that Hodgson not only was seeing something, but was seeing quite accurately. And this is one of the scientists that acknowledged in writing and this kind of research that they did with Hodgson. He wrote, during the years 1956 to 1959, I was fortunate enough to work with Jeffrey Hodgson. My contribution was to record his observations on the clairvoyant appearance of subatomic matter. I now have some 40 hours on cassette tape giving a verbatim account of the experiment we performed. There is no doubt whatsoever in my mind that Jeffrey possesses quite remarkable powers of extrasensory perception and invariably used these faculties with meticulous regard for accuracy in both observation and description. Throughout these sessions, he was a model of scientific caution, taking every possible care not to make statements that might be misleading. So, this kind of corroboration cannot get more positive than this. He also worked in a different field with another scientist, with Professor Robinson. He was a South African paleontologist, and later he moved to the US and worked as a professor at the University of Wisconsin here. And what they did, let me say first the experiment. So at each session, Hudson examined between 2 and 4 small pieces of fossils. Sometimes it was a single tooth, sometimes a little bit of bone, and they belong to 2 different species of hominids, of early human beings, let's say. Now, all these samples were mixed at random, although the scientists knew what each one of them were. So, and some of these items were presented several times to Hudson to see if his observations matched when the item was presented again, although Hudson, of course, didn't know it was the same item. At one time, even they handed him a specimen that was from an ape, not from a human being, without Hudson knowing it. So they were asking him what he saw, and Hudson started describing this kind of ape and the environment in which the ape was developing. And the scientists asked, "Are you sure that that is an ape? This is supposed to be a human being." And he kept saying, "I don't know, I just see an ape." And he was, of course, right about that. Now, the way that he did this, he laid on his back with his eyes closed. He would go into a state of meditation, and he never touched the items. Professor Robinson would put them on his forehead because that's where what is in India is called the Anya chakra, the chakra that is used for clairvoyance, is placed. So he was just laying down, and the scientist would put the specimen and then take it off and put another one. So Professor Robinson said, "I was able to work very closely with Jeffrey Hudson for 9 months during the late 50s, testing his clairvoyant powers on pieces of fossils of early men about 2 million years of age. The analysis showed that every statement made by him, which was able to be positively checked against known specimens, was absolutely accurate, and most of what could not be positively checked was in close agreement with what was thought to be correct, because he would describe not only the specimen, but the environment in which the early human being that the fossil belonged to, the environment in which he or she lived. And so, of course, those things the scientists say cannot be verified, but that's the kind of environment that we anthropologists think existed at the time. So he continues, he never misidentified a specimen or gave conflicting statements about a specimen that had been presented more than once. As far as I could determine, his information was always accurate, and he gave me a strong impression of complete reliability. If you see, most of the scientists that work with him make emphasis on his scientific demeanor and approach and carefulness. And the same is said of Leadbeater. People who were around him say that he was very meticulous and very careful and checking and rechecking. So they really had a scientific approach to this kind of research. So he worked with other scientists too, but I think these 2 examples are good enough to show you, of this collaboration. Then we have Dora Kunz. And Dora Kunz she was trained by Leadbeater. She was clairvoyant since she was a young girl. And then her parents sent her to Leadbeater was training some young people, and they sent her with him to be trained. And Dora Kunz did later in her life quite a bit of work using her clairvoyance. One of the works with scientists is with Dr. Shafika Karagula. This was in the early 1970s. She was a medical doctor, a neuropsychiatrist, and also a scientist. And they began to collaborate. Dora was asked to observe the etheric double of people. This is a theosophical term for an energy field that we all have around our body that reveals our health. So Dora would look at patients, look at the etheric double, look at the chakras that are on the etheric double, and describe where she saw some abnormalities. Now, sometimes the patients were far away from Dora. She did not talk to the patients at all. The patients were not seeing her. Sometimes she was looking at the patients from the back. And then she would observe and write down in a chart that Dr. Karagula prepared, and she would write down all her observations. Then another one would come and she would observe again, and she would spend around an hour with each. So then a few hours later, Dr. Karagula would compare Dora's notes with the medical history of the patients. Dr. Karagula also didn't know what was wrong with the patients. And again, she acknowledged her accuracy. She said Dora van Gelder Kunz, that's the full name of Dora, had no knowledge of medicine, nor was she familiar with the appropriate terms to describe what she saw. She never spoke to any of the patients. Her position at the back of the outpatient clinic, about 20 feet from the subjects, often precluded her from even seeing their faces. In any one morning session, 2 or 3 patients were randomly selected for her evaluation. She was asked to observe the etheric centers, the chakras, and the corresponding endocrine glands, and also to assess the patient's general etheric fields. It usually took 2 or 3 hours to evaluate a single patient, more than an hour, as I thought, if all the chakras were studied. So if she did a full observation, it could go even to 2 or 3 hours. So she said, over a period of time, she was presented with many rare cases, but her observations of the etheric abnormalities in the chakras and their corresponding endocrine glands left no doubt as to their accuracy. And they wrote, Dora and Shafika Karagula wrote the book, The Chakras, the one that you see to the left, The Chakras and the Energy Fields, where there is a report of, I think, all the cases that Dora observed. And you can see there are some things that are quite amazing. Like one case, Dora was saying that she was seeing a hole, an empty space in the center of the skull of a person where there was no energy at the place of I think it was a pituitary gland. This person was diabetic. So Dora said the pancreas is perfectly fine because most diabetes is caused by a malfunction of the pancreas. But there is one kind of diabetes that may come from a malfunction of the pituitary gland, or perhaps the pineal. I think it's a pituitary gland. but I may be wrong. In any case, so Dora says, no, the pancreas is perfectly fine, but I find this hole there. Then when Dr. Karagula checked the history, the medical history, this woman had her pituitary gland removed. Dora Kunz didn't even know that was possible, to be able to remove somebody's pituitary gland and still function. And there are many cases in that book. That book is quite interesting, in which you see there is no way that this can be faked in any way. She would see very specific things connected to the medical history of the person. Also, Dr. Karagula wrote Breakthrough to Creativity, Your Higher Sense Perception, with more testimony of her work with Dora Kunz. This was the first book that she wrote, and Dora Kunz is there with a pseudonym. And then when they started working together in a hospital, then they wrote the book on the chakras. Then also Dora worked with Dolores Krieger in the early 70s. She was a doctor and professor at the New York University, and together they developed an energy healing technique called therapeutic touch. So therapeutic touch is an energy, as I said, healing technique using your hands without touching the person. But Dora would observe how the intention to move certain energies, how that would work with the aura of people, and developed a method to help harmonize the aura of the patients. Now, there was some experimental testing on this. They used a control group to whom they didn't apply any of the healing, and then they had a group that was subject to this kind of healing. And then they measured they did some tests to see the difference between those who were treated and those who were not. So one of the markers that they used was the levels of hemoglobin in people that had some deficiency. And they saw that after a series of healing treatments, the levels of hemoglobin went up in those who were being treated, for example. Now, these experiments some of this research was founded by the National Institute of Health here in the US, a very reputable organization, the most reputable organization of health in the US. And this technique is still being taught in some hospitals, in many of them. And there are nurses that use this technique even today. So these are some of the examples of the clairvoyant research that has been verified by science. And I think it's important, these instances are very important because, so that we go into a discussion. These are important because if scientists were to take seriously these instances, then there could be a great collaboration between clairvoyants and the scientists that would help advance medicine. Now, there is a caveat for this because, as I explained, you can't just take a random person with psychic perceptions. Unfortunately, a training is required, and if not training, long experience is needed for people to be able to observe accurately. Of course, we know especially in more native traditions, they had their shamans, they had their doctors who had this ability. They were never, as far as I know, not really tested by scientists, so you don't know what degree of accuracy a given person may have. But potentially there is this possibility of cooperation, which obviously would help a lot the growth of medicine. But in any case, so the idea was to show you some of these examples. This can also help us appreciate the extraordinary nature of the clairvoyance that we had in the Theosophical movement. And we have a lot of their own researches and teachings that, since they have been verified scientifically, we can have a good level of confidence that what they wrote is accurate. So we can learn from that, and we can perhaps apply some of these teachings that they observed. So that's the presentation. I don't know if now you want us to go on to question, answers, interaction, comments. I'm okay with comments too.
Yeah, sure. That's really interesting, Pablo. Renee is not with us today. She couldn't be with us today, so I'm fielding the Q&A. So if you have a question for Pablo, put it in the FAQ box just at the bottom of your screen there. It should say Q&A. Just pop it in there. But one of the things I noticed, Pablo, with all the excellent clairvoyance that you mentioned, was a lot of them are, let's say, 50 years or right back to HPB. Are you aware of like new researches and new topics coming out? So, for example, you hear of perhaps scientific instruments getting more subtle so that they could record etheric matter or even perhaps astral matter, Kirlian photography, things like that. Are you aware of any new fields of study coming out and new researches that?
Yes, a little bit. Here in the US, there is an organization, the Institute of Noetic Sciences, and they are working on this area. They have found some interesting hints. They are nowhere as successful as these theosophies that I was mentioning. But perhaps some of their research will go. I mean, it's going in that direction. They may get to some method that can be helpful for this. There are scientists are now discovering that some objects have what they called a quantum atmosphere. They have observed it so far only in a few types of metal, but perhaps this is just because they are beginning with this, and as their instruments become more sophisticated, they may see that this is everywhere. Because I think this is the etheric double. They are saying that around objects there is this kind of atmosphere of particles that are in their subatomic forms, and they have no idea what that is, what the function is. And when Bess and Leadbeater did their research in occult chemistry, the higher, what we call the etheric plane, the higher levels of physical matter, is what scientists today call these quantum particles, because they would break. The way that they could get to those etheric subplanes was by breaking down the atom, and then the subatomic particle that they got, they would break it apart again, and then you had the subatomic particles, and that's what forms the etheric body. So it's basically the subatomic particles that scientists are seeing today. According to Besant, so scientists had gone to the level of quarks. So you have the atom that can be divided in protons and neutrons, and the electron. Then if you break down the break apart the neutrons or the protons, they will have quarks there. And in their observations, Bessa and Leadbeater were able to see inside the quark, and there was another subatomic particle, and those seem to be the ultimate particles of the physical plane. So perhaps now that they are building better and better particle accelerators that can crash, they can make crash these subatomic particles with higher and higher energies, they may be able to do what Bessa and Leadbeater were observing and just break even the quark. But in any case, I'm following these discoveries about this quantum atmosphere because scientists are quite close to start detecting the etheric double. And once they get to do that and they get mastery over it, then all illnesses, as Dora Kunz was observing, all illnesses are first manifested in the etheric double. So if we get a system of diagnosis of the etheric double, you can discover an illness that is going to be manifested months or years in the future. Actually, Dr. Karagula talked about this. She said sometimes Dora would see an illness before it was manifested physically because she was looking at the etheric double, and she would say, this person has heart problems, and then the person would not, but then 6 months later, she would come with heart problems. So that would be something quite interesting, and that's one of the lines that I'm following. Then there are some other scientists. There is, I don't remember his name, but he's an Australian scientist who actually read about the etheric double in theosophical journals. And he's proposing that the embryonic development of animals may be guided by the etheric double, basically. He calls it, in some fields, he calls it some electromagnetic field or something like that. This has been a problem in science for a long time. What drives the shaping of this group of cells that are the embryo, and there is no clue why the cells don't grow just like a ball, but they start, differentiating and taking forms. So there is this biologist that is using the concept of the etheric double to see if they can find something like the etheric double through scientific methods. So those are the parts that are more or less aware. The other important concepts is perhaps this idea. Blavatsky said that in the formation of the cosmos, the dominant solar systems, etc., is electromagnetism. Fohat, the electromagnetism is the physical manifestation of what she called Fohat. Now, because scientists cannot measure magnetic fields out in space, all their equations are based on gravity that they can calculate, but they have so far they had no means to measure if there is any magnetic field driving this phenomena. So in none of their equations, there is room for the magnetic fields. Because of that, they are seeing a lot of problems. What their calculations show does not correspond to what they see in the cosmos. That's why they start talking about dark matter, because they say if we calculate how much gravity is there by the matter that we can observe, that amount of gravity cannot drive the galaxies or solar systems to be formed in the way that we are observing. So they say there must be some more matter that we cannot see, and that matter is producing gravity. Now, I think that is a huge mistake. There is no dark matter. There is no extra gravity. What they are not seeing is the electromagnetic influence. Now, lately, in the last few years, they are beginning to be able to measure electromagnetism in space. And there are more and more papers that are talking about increasingly about the role of electromagnetism in the formation of galaxies, etc. So that was a big statement of Blavatsky in The Secret Doctrine about something that is quite fundamental. So that's also interesting to see where science goes with this.
Yeah, I think they're starting to get more information out of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which I thought was empty space, and they've got huge pressure in their equipment that they're just about to turn back on and see if it's still out there. So they're all expanding topics. It might be possible maybe if you could send us that, someone's asked for the Australian scientist's name, if you could send it through to me at some point. I later, not now, but I can pass it on.
If you talk to the Science and Theosophy group in Australia, I will look it up and try to see if I find the name.
Someone said Bevan Reid. Bevan Reid, maybe?
I think so. I have a few papers by him, so I can double check. Don't remember right now, but he has written for them, and they have worked together. So I'm going to double check, and then Richard will let you know.
Someone else has suggested Richard Silverstein, perhaps, but the topic we were talking about was the etheric double, and that is quite interesting, isn't it? In medicine, with people feeling pain from phantom limbs that have been amputated and things like that, and it's like, where does that pain come from? I think some of this clairvoyant research would have, for me personally, coming up in the future, and healing has got a huge potential, like you're talking about with Dora Kunz, and I think Jeffrey Hodgson's Science of Seership. He was able to tell whether people were going to get better from their illness because it was based on perhaps past karma, which might be able to be modified, or maybe there was no chance in this life, but at least people were aware of why they were like they were. And he was describing what you said with on one patient with like nothing around the top of the head, in terms of energy, prana not really getting there, causing someone to be a bit slow. Now, I do have a question from Kirsty. When you were talking about some of these researchers, Pablo, are you aware of any like training centres or teachers that help with I suppose developing either these faculties or training or honing them in for specific purposes?
Mm-hmm. Yes, what Leadbeater writes about this, and basically what I get from his explanation is that we all know that in books of yoga there are some methods to develop different psychic powers, but normally these methods, they are very slow, they work very slowly. Many people practice this and the results may not be seen in this lifetime, they may be seen in the next lifetime. People who are born with clairvoyant powers is normally people who have tried to develop this in a past lifetime. And the reason is that all these methods that are available publicly are very inefficient. They are general methods, quite inefficient. But Leadbeater says that the masters, they can devise a method that is custom made, so to say, for that specific person. Each one of us have our chakras and our different subtle bodies. They are all different. They belong to different race, what we call the race in theosophy. The method of development in each person is different. Some people develop the chakras more on the mental body, on the astral body, or the etheric body. Some of the chakras are more predominant in a person than in others. So there is a lot of variability. Therefore, for a method to be effective, it has to be adapted to that particular person. So Leadbeater says the master gave me a method that I had to take a note that I would not reveal. And then I started doing that meditation, and then the masters would check every now and then and correct anything that was going wrong. Because the reason is that all these are very delicate mechanisms of consciousness. So if we use powerful methods, we can really produce important problems. A person can lose their reason. There are many dangers in working with any of these. The more powerful the method, the more dangerous it is. So the masters keep all those methods quite secret. And when they have somebody that they are training, they are keeping an eye on the person clairvoyantly. So if these methods were out in books and people would just do it at home, as many do with whatever they find in books, that would be something quite dangerous and unhealthy. So what I think is that, and I think that's why in the Theosophical tradition, there is an emphasis on developing the spiritual nature, which that takes lifetimes of work, because when the master thinks that any of us can do a good job for humanity developing some of these methods, those powers can be developed in a month. It's very easy. It's very quick. I mean, easy now. Leadbeater said, this was the hardest work that I did in all my life. The development of clairvoyance in those 40 days. And for a year, he was trained. So he would be brought something on the astral plane, and the masters would ask him, what do you see? And he would have to describe it, and the master would say, no, you are projecting your thought. No, you are not seeing correctly. Try again. And they would bring, this is an aura of what? A person, a dead person, an animal. So there was he says for a year, a quite systematic training. And he says it was the hardest work that he ever did in his life. So for all these reasons, I'm not super hopeful that independent research, like in the Noetics, the Institute of Noetic Sciences and the Society for Psychical Research, they have been trying to do this kind of work since the Theosophical Society was founded almost, They were founded 10 years later by theosophists, and they haven't gotten to much, nothing compared to these theosophists. We also know that the CIA and the KGB, they try to develop clairvoyance and try to use for spies, basically. Try to use psychics and all that. And it never really worked. So they abandoned those studies. There are a couple of books written about this. My impression is that probably, the masters were even trying to mess with that research, if they can do so. But I'm just saying my impression is that the masters are not eager for regular human beings to have access to these powers, because, as they say many times in the letters, unless the person is perfectly unselfish, with all these virtues, with this intention of using it just to help humanity, not for any gain, unless all those conditions are there, the people with these powers would be a great danger for humanity. So that's the limitation right now.
Yeah, there's got to be a high level of purity of motive and of the person. I would guess there probably wouldn't be that many around at that level of Leadbeater and Hodson and Dora Kunz, etc. Are you aware of, Susanna asks, are there any theosophists that you're aware of working at Jeffrey Hodson's level, or out there, or maybe on the planet?
I know of a couple of theosophists who have some clairvoyance, and they are working in their fields. Now, for what I've gathered what people like Hodgson and Leadbeater did is something that is really advanced. You know, these theosophies that one is a good friend of mine. He wrote like 3 books on his experience even before coming to the TS. Then he says that I'm talking about Kurt Leland, for those who know him. He says that when he came across the books by Bessa and Leadbeater, all the explanations that they have in their books really help him. Many of them matched what he had seen, and then all the other research that is out there, that is in those books, opened up further, possibility for further understanding by him and discovering things that he had not seen before. And I think he's a theosophist. I think he has the foundation to do this kind of work. But it seems that the things that Leadbeater and Hodgson were able to do are really extraordinary. This is not something that other people can do so easily.
Do you see, and Melanie's got a question here, she says, will medicine and clairvoyance merge in the future? That's an interesting possibility. What's your thoughts on that?
Can you read it again?
Well, medicine and clairvoyance, so traditional, doctors, etc. Medicine and clairvoyance merge, but they work together as partners rather than polar opposites in some respects.
Yeah. Well, so you are saying mediums, like the spiritualistic mediums?
Medicine, like
medicine.
Hospitals, etc. Yeah.
Sorry. Now I get it. Well, I think that there have been some people who have, I don't know much about the history of homeopathy, for example, or this kind of medicines. If you see the medicine developed by ancient native cultures, they had their shamans or their doctors, and they would learn. In many cases, they would learn from the nature spirits. So they would have a dream where an entity, a god, a nature spirit would come and tell them what herbs were good for what kind of illness, etc. And the medicine that they developed was not through experimentation as we do in our modern times. They were gained by these higher senses, whether in a trance or in a dream. And I think that modern examples of that are people who develop these alternative medicines that in some way they are working with non-physical aspects of substances. Again, I don't know a lot about homeopathy, but what I read always gave me the impression that this comes from that kind of knowledge. So I think that as humanity's karma allows it, there is a possibility of a different kind of medicine being developed that takes into account these kinds of observations. If not driven by the scientific community as a whole, it may be started by some special individuals. Now, something that Hodgson would say many times, and Besant also mentioned this, is that we have to earn this, karmically speaking, and as long as we are producing suffering in animals, for example, in animal experimentation, in order to develop cures for human beings, we are just generating karmic obstacles for the development of this better medicine. So something that the masters say in the letters, and they are very emphatic on this. I wrote a couple of articles about this. They are called Science, Modern, and Occult. And you can find them online. It's part 1 and part 2. So there are many quotes about this that I'm mentioning in those articles. basically the masters say, for us to be able to help humanity with this kind of knowledge, then science has to become moral, more moral. Science cannot be something that can be used to torture, to kill, to develop something that destroys. Until the time when humanity gets to that stage where they can use this in a moral way, we are not going to help, basically, the masters say. But I think there are instances of individuals, as I was mentioning, so little by little there may be some advances in that sense. But really we have to earn it karmically, and we have to start respecting the happiness of all beings on earth.
Yeah, that makes sense. It seems to be, it will be a slow process, and we'll as we become a little bit more moral over the next 50, 100 years, more will be let out. It is interesting that science and theosophy are slowly merging with some of their ideas. I think last week we had Jude Curran was talking about Thea, which was, if I get it right, like a large asteroid which hit the Earth a long time ago. And the theory of scientists were saying that the moon was created out of this. And sometime, I don't know, a year or so ago, I saw some articles on the BBC science program which was saying, the Earth is made out of the same stuff as like moon rocks, because they've got moon rocks. Now, if you look at Rouse and Chains from the Secret Doctrine, she says that a lot of the substance from the moon chain came to be used in the Earth. So we're sort of theosophy saying that the moon substance helped make up the Earth, and science is saying, the Earth substance made up the moon. So they're getting very close, isn't it? It's,
Yes, definitely. Yeah, there are many interesting in this article. What I'm saying is that even without coming to a full collaboration of clairvoyants like these people and scientists, if science, using this as a, I don't know, as a kind of test, you have here in what I presented some scientific validation, as I say, of the clairvoyance of these theosophists. So what scientists could do is to take seriously theosophical teachings. If you see that these people have been tested, then why don't you take seriously some of the major theosophical theories and use it, of course, not to accept it because somebody says it. Science doesn't work that way. But use it as a hypothesis to direct your investigations in that direction. So, for example, Blavatsky says electromagnetism has a huge impact in how the cosmos is built. Then scientists could take that seriously and say, well, let's see if this is true. Let us start looking into electromagnetism, see if we can measure it. And they would have saved 70 years, of time that or more. But I think, from the 60s to now, however many years, they could have started looking at electromagnetism instead of spending all that time just taking gravity into account. Like that, many things. What we are talking about, the change of continents, that is not the tectonic plates, the plates. Now, I just read a paper a couple of months ago of scientists that are beginning to discover, okay, wait a minute, the tectonic plates cannot really explain the constitution of the continent. So something else has to be involved. They are not ready yet to abandon that theory, but they are seeing some fissure there. And you must be very aware of this continent underneath New Zealand and Australia that is discovered there. So scientists, again, could take this seriously and say, okay, let's see if this is true. Let us start looking into that. In a Mahatma letter, the master says, if there are any remains of the early root races, that there were giants, it is at the bottom of the ocean. And so again, scientists could say, okay, let's start putting money in researching the bottom of the ocean and see what kind of fossils we find there. So that's the way that I think would be more feasible for some kind of merging between this kind of information obtained clairvoyantly and regular science.
Oh, great. Thanks, Pablo. We've probably got time for two more questions. But Cara has said, is it necessary to obtain a person's permission if you are sending spiritual healing to someone, as quite often a person may have different beliefs which could be opposite to theosophy?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Yes, this was talked about by several of these clairvoyants. I read that Jeffrey Hodgson used to have these. He used to call them, I think, thought projection groups, where people would come and meditate and send thoughts that were necessary in the town or in special places in the world. And there is, of course, quite a bit of information from Besant, Leadbeater, Hodgson, Dora Kunz about healing, sending healing thoughts, as you are asking in this question. Now, what I gather from all of these writings is that it is always okay to send healing thoughts if we are careful in a couple of points. First, we should be careful never to try to force the will of a person. So suppose you have a person that has some addiction. If you want to help that person, the way that you help that person is not by trying to impress on the person that he or she should quit, because you are interfering with their freedom of choice, etc. But you can try to send that person, let's say, spiritual energy, so that he or she may make the best decisions that they can. So you can send the person clarity, you can send the person peace, contentment, because many times addictions are connected, to some kind of lack. So you can always help to generate, to help the person to generate a condition in which the higher ego, the soul of the person, may impress the personality, because sometimes let's say the aura of the person is blocking communication from the soul. So if you send your goodwill so that the aura may be harmonized, even if for a few minutes, you never know if that is what opens the door for the influence of the soul, and then the soul will guide the personality. Also, we should never try to change people's beliefs. But if you just send help for the person to be able to be stronger, to have more clarity, to have joy, etc., that is not only okay, but we are advised to do that. Even from the time when At the Feet of the Master was written, there is one line that says, think every day of a person that may be needing your help, and send that person, thoughts, helping thoughts. So this is something I personally, at the end of my if you have a practice of meditation, at the end of my meditations, I always have a group of people that I know are having some trouble, and I send goodwill, and I try to send love, and also to places where there is conflict in the world. So again, there you don't take parts, you don't take sides. If there is problem somewhere, you try to send peace and love for all the people involved, and you are not trying to take sides or force any outcome.
Yeah, that's very, very sound advice. I mean, sending love and healing, those energies will find their way to where they're needed by the universe.
Let me say one more thing about that. You can also always invoke the aid of the Devas. Hudson wrote about this. There are these invocations because it is said that what they can do, they can make your sending this energy can make it more efficient. They know how to preserve the energy so that it doesn't lose energy as it travels through the mental and astral plane. They can help with all that you are producing. So you can add an invocation. I think like Hudson has the one for the healing. Hail Devas of the healing arts, come to our aid, pour forth your healing life into this channel, and things like that. If you look in his books, there are a few invocations.
Yeah, he's got some very nice invocations, Jeffrey Hodson. Got one last question from Simon Pablo. It says, following on from your quote about the Mahatmas emphasising morality, what do you think about nuclear science? A New Zealander, Rutherford, split the atom, and following on from that, we have nuclear bombs. He said essentially it relates to whether the Mahatmas let certain knowledge out to humans.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's one striking example of how the knowledge of the occult forces in nature are quite dangerous. Of course, a lot of good has been done through, atomic energy used in good ways. But the first application that we use that knowledge for is to build a bomb and to kill thousands of people. So you can see why the masters are very reluctant in helping science to discover some of these forces. Actually, Blavatsky talks about atomic energy in The Secret Doctrine. In a footnote, she mentions that as in passing. Now, Leadbeater says that in the future, the future source of energy will come from the atom. And I think in the way that he says it, he's probably referring to nuclear fusion, which, interestingly enough, they are just now, like last year, scientists are now beginning to be able to produce. If we develop this will be clean energy. It doesn't have the destructive power that has the split of the atom for the atomic bombs, for example. And this would be, Leadbeater says that when he looks in the future, like 500 years, the kind of energy they use is an inexhaustible energy that is freely available, and that helps humanity evolve quite a bit. So I think we are already starting on that Leadbeater saw. Ricardo Lindemann from Brazil, he's the one that noticed that, for the first time. And then I started reading what Leadbeater said about that, and I agree with him that I think we are moving in that direction.
Yes, definitely. We often start with some of these things with bad intent, but we can get through all of that, hopefully, and then apply some of these sciences to great good. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, I think that's probably enough. We do have a lot of people thanking you very much, Pablo. So it's been a wonderful and informative session. So I'm really grateful, everyone is, for you taking the time out to join us in New Zealand. Thank you very much. We hope to see you again soon at some stage.